Good morning. I'm Ninyoman Padma Dewi. I'm from Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha Singaraja, Bali. I'm presenting on behalf of our research team. I'm going to present about our research, which is supposed to be presented in ASEAN Education Symposium 2020. But because of the corona pandemic, then it is presented virtually. Thank you.
Teachers' readiness in inserting 21st century skills in teaching students at a bilingual primary school. The research was conducted in order to respond to the situation of phenomena nowadays. As we all realize, the 21st century demands teachers to improve their skills and being able to adapt and prepare themselves to face the changes and have to be ready to implement the 21st century education in the classroom. Readiness is defined as a condition in which the school staff are well prepared to engage in particular agenda to make some improvements. Lynch Smith, 2016. Readiness is also defined as willingness to do action, as it can be seen in Nasution et al. 2018. The readiness of the teachers is so important to be investigated because the teachers' readiness influences the quality of teaching and learning in the classroom. Many studies have been conducted on teachers' readiness, but research on the same topic conducted in the context of bilingual school has never been conducted yet. Teaching students at a bilingual school is very highly demanding and also very challenging because the school must be able to prepare students in order to be able to continue their studies in international school or might be to continue their studies in English-speaking countries when they finish their study at primary school. For that reason, it is so important to investigate how ready the teachers are in preparing their students to reach the goal. Based on that background, then the purpose of the study is to analyze the teachers' readiness in inserting 21st century skills in teaching primary school students and investigate how the skills are inserted in classroom practices in a bilingual school context. The method was using mixed method design. The setting was in North Bali Bilingual School. The subject involved 11 teachers. The teaching experiences with the teacher ranged from 2 until 8 years. The teachers' perceived readiness was collected using questionnaire, which had been judged by expert judges in terms of reliability and validity before their usage. To guarantee the trustworthiness of the data, direct observations were conducted and followed with interviewing the teachers to triangulate the data from the questionnaire. The data were analyzed using simple descriptive statistics to calculate the perceived readiness of the teachers and spotted with qualitative analysis, especially to analyze the results of observations in interview. The result of analysis show that the teachers have good understanding about 21st century skills, which include life and career skills, learning and innovation skills, media literacy and technology skills, and also have a good understanding about the theme of 21st century framework. Table 1 indicates that all teachers perceive themselves having good understanding about 21st century skills and are ready to insert them in the process of teaching and learning in the classroom. The result of observation also show that the teachers were very ready to implement the 21st century education in the teaching learning process. The analysis was categorized into 3 dimensions. The first one in terms of lesson plan, the second one in terms of teaching learning process, and the third one is in terms of the assessment. In the lesson plan, it can be seen that the skills were not only inserted in the objective of the study in the lesson plans, but also the skills were also inserted in the lesson plan of the curricular programs of the program in the school. For example, literacy program, novel study, house program, community service program, and also entrepreneurship program. In the teaching and learning process, teachers at North Bali Bilingual School showed that they were very ready to teach the student based on the 21st century education framework. The process of teaching uses the philosophy of constructivism, differentiated instruction, and the whole person approach. So the process of teaching is student-centered, and the students are introduced a lot of real-life literacies and their competencies are developed, where all the 21st century skills are naturally trained and used. The assessments used are authentic-based assessments, which are real-life and project-based, where the students are demanded to use their knowledge in real-life experiences. So the 21st century skills are part of the competencies that are blended in the classroom practices. Based on the analysis mentioned before, then it can be concluded that the teacher's readiness in inserting the 21st century skills is manifested in the quality of their teaching and also indicated in the successful learning of their students. The implementation of various activities and programs which are project-based and utilize performance-based learning activities is an indication of how teachers insert the skill in the teaching learning process. The result of authentic assessment reveal the student competencies, not only about the mastery of the subject content, but also the competencies of 21st century skill indicated in the implementation of the school programs and direct communication with society. It is implied that the teacher's perceived readiness and the actual implementation is not different, and both representing high readiness. Okay, that's all the presentation. Thank you.